If you want to customize your CarPlay experience, here's a quick guide to adding and arranging apps on your iPhone so they show up in your car's display. First of all, make sure any app you want is downloaded on your iPhone and is CarPlay compatible. Only supported apps like navigation, music, messaging, EV charging, or parking apps can appear in CarPlay. Next, connect your iPhone to your car, either via a USB cable or wirelessly if your vehicle supports it. Then, go to your Settings app, then tap on General and CarPlay. Then tap on your car's name. Next, in the CarPlay settings for your vehicle, tap on Customize. Here, you will see apps already on the screen and a More Apps list at the bottom. Tap on the plus icon next to a supported app to add it to your CarPlay home screen. After that, rearrange or remove apps. You can reorder apps by pressing and dragging them in the list. To remove an app from CarPlay, simply tap on the minus icon next to it. Changes will automatically apply next time you connect. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.